Hey, what's up, guys? It is 3-2-1 Go Shoot. I know I haven't posted in a while, so sorry about that. It really backed up with school and stuff like that. But I'm just doing a short little video just for people who have a left bay launcher and it's stuck like mine is right now. And I found a quick way to fix it. Sometimes it may take a little bit of strength, but sometimes it won't. But I've done it so many times that it's been able to work. So basically, you want to hook this. You push this up, and then whatever mode you got it stuck in, you put it in the opposite direction. Like I have mine stuck in right mode, so you put it to the left, and you start spinning it how you would put a left beyblade in. And there you go. That's how you fix an LR bay launcher. And this works also for Hasbro as well. Since I used to own a Hasbro bay launcher, it worked the same. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Hope this video was helpful.